Okay guys, so not even 10 minutes after the last train passed through, there's another train coming in the same direction. All three trains have been in the same direction. Now, I want to pan up real quick. It's not there anymore, but for the last train, there's an arrow in the sky pointing in the way that the train was going. So I think that's pretty cool. Oh great, here comes some dude on a bike. Just checking to make sure my camera thing is still good. It's okay. Okay, no it's not. Crap. Sorry guys. Using a rock to hold my tripod up. There we go, that should be good. Alright, is that good? And that way. Yeah, that's good. Come on, zoom out. This takes forever. There we go. Got it. Sorry about that, guys. Wasn't trying to do that. Anyway, here comes the train. Still has a green on the track that train's on, but a red on the other one. Maybe we'll find out if there's anything on the other line. I don't know. SE70 MAs. Don't know if you can tell, but that second engine is an SE70 Mac E or MAs, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. Set of helpers at the end. Jesus. Alright, that's